Can you tell us how you incorporate some of these healthier options into your cooking habits at home?
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, usually, we'll always kind of measure. I'm a big proponent in measuring how much we're actually consuming. So we measure out, all of our salts, all of our fats when we are doing the cooking process. So that way we, like T says, have more control over what we know we're consuming. It's a healthier option that way.
Yeah, excellent. And T, I assume you do the same
Absolutely.
thing?
And I think the other key thought process is actually using real whole foods in the preparation of your meals. So the better your ingredients are to start with, the more wholesome they are to start with, really the less you'd have to do to manipulate the flavor, right?
Sure.
I mean, really simplicity, I think, is one of the things that you've really taught me about cooking.
Exactly. Yeah. When you're starting with the raw ingredient, that's probably going to be the best thing for you. What you add to it is going to create it to be either more healthy or less healthy.
Less healthy.
So,
yeah, absolutely.
So when you're starting with that raw ingredient, that's really your kind of your base. And the more that you add, whether it be good or bad is, all your decision. But,
right.
You really, like, for our standpoint of trying to eat healthy, you really want to, all scratch ingredients are great. So.
Right.